how to fix GCash app error OT50. So if you see GCash error OT50, it means there is a problem with the app or your internet. Here is how to fix it. Step number one, check your internet. Make sure your Wi-Fi mobile data is turning on. Try opening YouTube or Google to see if the internet is working. If the internet is slow, restart your Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data. Step number two, restart your phone. Turn off your phone and turn it back on. Open the GCash app again and check it if the error is gone. Step number three, clear GCash app cache. Go to settings on your phone, find apps or application manager, search for GCash and tap on it, tap on storage and clear the cache. Open GCash again and check if it works. Step number four, update the GCash app. Open Google Play Store if you use the Android or App Store if you use the iPhone. Search for GCash. If you see an update button, tap on it. Step number five, reinstall the GCash app. Delete the GCash app from your phone. Download it again from the Play Store or App Store if you use the iPhone, of course. And log in again, and check if the error is gone. Step number six, check if GCash is down. Sometimes GCash has server problems. Go to Facebook or Twitter and check if GCash posted any updates. Don't forget to check Reddit too. If GCash is down, wait for them to fix it. Step number seven and the last solution, it's by contacting GCash support. If not working, or if all of that it's not working, contact GCash support, open GCash Help Center in the app or visit their website. Try these tips and your GCash error OT50 should be fixed. So this is how to fix GCash app error OT50. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.